in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Expression XP-7600 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS laptop, tablet, desktop, computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Into Google, you want to search for Epson Expression XP-7600 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson Stylus Pro 7600. Go ahead and select that from the page here. And then scrolling down, there should be an operating system drop-down. Select your appropriate version of Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and then select Go. And then you want to expand the utility selection and select the Epson Net Config utility. Go ahead and download it, and then open up the file once it's on your machine. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then this file contains the Epson Net Config. Click OK to continue. Select that, and then just proceed with the installer as normal, and then you should be able to configure your network settings appropriately for your printer. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.